Hi, I'm Timothy, captain of the TJ basketball team. To me, what really makes basketball unique is the people that you meet and the bonds that you build with them over time. It's like we are one close-knit family, and my favorite part of this CCA is going through all the hard training sessions and seeing at the end of these 4 years how you and your other teammates have improved over time.
Hi, I'm Hosing, Vice Captain of the TJ basketball team. What I learned in my 4 years of basketball is the meaning of true friendship. There were always those challenging runs and never-ending drills that taught me how to push myself mentally and physically. For those who are interested in joining TJ basketball, I feel that you guys should really look forward to the enjoyable and fulfilling training sessions that we have in school, and also the unwavering support that the teachers and coach are willing to give you guys.